Alright, bit of a different video for you guys today. We're going to show you how to create a embossed style vinyl using a UV roll-to-roll printer. So we're going to use our Roland LG-640 roll-to-roll printer, but you can use any gloss enabled printer for this. So start with our artwork. This is the dragon design that I'm going to use. So firstly I'm going to group them all together. There we go, so it's all one group. Then I am going to resize the artboard on Illustrator to fit, well, I'm going to make a laptop skin out of it that you'll see later on. So I'm just resizing the artboard now. I'm going to reduce the dragon size just a little bit because it's a little bit too big at the moment. And then we'll center it and center that. And then we need to make that the Roland gloss from the Roland VersaWorks colour palette. Here we go, RDG gloss. Perfect. So that's one piece of artwork, so I'm going to save that and call it Dragon Gloss. Okay, next we're going to overlay with a colour. So I'm going to make a full-sized box. And this is the colour I have, so I'm just going to eyedrop it to match. Perfect. And then we're going to save that one as a separate piece of artwork. And we'll call that Dragon Colour. Great stuff. So I'm going to bring the gloss first because I want to print the gloss first and then overlay the colour over the top to give it that embossed effect. So I'm going to bring that one in. As you can see in special items, it's recognised that it's the gloss colour. I do have to do a couple of things in VersaWorks to tell it to print gloss though. As you can see, the box is blank at the moment. So what we need to do is select special effects. You've got gloss varnish there, but I'm going to use the embossing one. And after a bit of playing around, I'm going to give it a 6 overprint because I really want it to sort of be raised and stand out quite pronounced. And then we're in user view, so I want it to face the right way around when it comes out the printer, and then we're just going to center it. And then one last thing for the gloss, I need it to return to origin after printing the gloss layer, because then I want to overlay the colour over the top and I want them to line up. So next I'm going to bring in the colour artwork. Again, get media width. I'm going to change that to high quality. I want a decent overlay of colour. We'll leave it on True Rich 3 and then centre it on the media. Perfect. Okay, so I could press print on the gloss and then press print separately on the colour, but what I'm going to do is group these together using the multiple job grouping just to save you having to press print twice. There you go, now you can see it's a group job, so when I press print it will print the gloss, cycle back to the origin point and then print the colour over the top, all essentially is one job. So that's finished ripping. So now we're going to press print. Don't worry, I'll speed this bit up for you. Just a quick printing montage. You can see it printed the gloss and then overlaid the colour over the top. And this is how it comes out of the printer itself. You can see it's got that raised embossed effect to it. It looks really, really nice. Okay, here it is finished, applied to the laptop. So it looks really good. It's a really cool effect and definitely worth having a play around. So as you can see, I've done a couple of others. This is the same design again, but I've overlaid another layer of gloss over the top to really make it stand out. And then there's a few other designs. Just to give you guys a scope of what you can actually do with this. Don't have to do laptop skins, you could use it for home decor, you could use it for anything really. So here's one with a Superman logo inside it, overlaid with a blue, nice blue colour, and I've sort of trimmed that to fit the logo itself. So if you wanted to use it for home decor or decoration, here's a bit of a spooky skull overlaid with black. And then you could even use this to do car wraps and have the car logo inside the wrap itself. So I've done a nice Maserati one here, a sort of bluey, dark greeny blue colour, just to give you an idea of what you can actually do with this idea. Hope it helps.